Once upon a time in the colorful land of Japan, there was a cheerful girl named Yayoi Kusama. Yayoi was not just any girl, she was an artist with a magical imagination. Her favorite things in the whole wide world were vibrant dots, tiny dots, big bouncy dots, and even sparkly dots that twinkled like stars. Every day Yayoi would collect shiny stones, soft leaves, and pretty flowers from her backyard. With her special paintbrush, she turned them into beautiful artworks. "Look at my colorful dots," she would say, giggling with delight. One sunny afternoon, while Yayoi was painting on her favorite canvas, something amazing happened. The dots on her canvas began to glow and shimmer like magical fireflies. Yayoi rubbed her eyes, thinking she was dreaming. But no, the dots were really alive. They twinkled, wiggled, and even danced like butterflies. Every day after school, Yayoi raced to a sunny little hill at the edge of her town. There she would set up her canvas and paint lovely worlds filled with her playful dots. She painted dots that bounced like balls and twirled like little fairies in a magical dance. Yayoi loved to share her artworks with her friends and everyone in her town. "Look at my dotted dreamland," she would shout, inviting them to join in the fun. Everyone smiled as they gazed at the colorful shapes, realizing that art makes us happy and helps us connect with each other. As Yayoi grew older, she moved to big bustling cities like New York, where even more friends saw her fabulous dots. She painted her dots on not just canvases but on tall buildings and even on clothes. Yayoi Kusama became famous for her wonderful installations, including magical infinity mirror rooms that made everyone feel like they were surrounded by a twinkling sea of endless dots. Through her art, Yayoi spread joy and creativity everywhere she went. "Come, play with my dots," she would say, inviting everyone to explore their imagination and have fun forever, leaving her dazzling mark on the world.